I'm now joined by the hilarious David the student. Can I call you stupid? Stupid. Stupid.
Have you seen that clip? What happened? That is our motto right now.
So motto. Before even we get to the clip, this story of this woman, alienda kashtaki bwanake.
Yeah.
My husband is not circumcised. The guy woke up in the in the morning, and the whole community was outside his door waiting for him with knives.
Yeah.
What do you think about it? What's your opinion on that?
My opinion on that, my opinion on that is Kenyans, let me laugh for a minute. That's very funny.
It's very funny.
Yeah, because you can imagine, as a man, I imagine walking outside. Okay, it can't happen to me, but walking outside with neighbors, with pangas.
Neighbors and neighbors' cousins and cousins of other cousins and people you've never even seen.
And the lady's like, go cut my
husband.
You know that's what brings us to that clip I was showing you guys. Go cut everybody. Go cut kila mutu.
But not your husband.
But not a Kalenjin guy.
Not a Kalenjin guy.
By cut a Kalenjin guy, I mean cut as in anakimbia alafu mukate mbele. Because as we had played, this is what they'll do to you. Don't.
All right, let's take a look at that clip.
Yeah, don't.
All right, let's take a look at that particular clip.
Yeah. The big mistake you wait at your Kalenjin akombele yako alafu mukate.
Hakuna kukata Kalenjin, man.
Don't ever.
Don't ever. Okay, let's take a look at that.
All right.
Battle for the World Junior title. Now watch Machuca in the red vest. They don't like each other, these two, and you'll see why. Bump!
That propelled him across the line a second faster than it would have been if he hadn't punched him on the back of the head.
You know what happened, yeah?
That's a mad guy. I mean, that's a mad guy.
Not mad. You would do that.
I don't think I would.
You know this guy. You know most of guys, the athletes where I come from. Oh, that's funny. They do a party before they leave. They're like, tufanye. Hii nimeshinda hii. Imagine you've done the party. You've spent. Umeona kabisa this is the finish line. Then like I'm sure the guy after that race, you know, like, what happened? It's like sijui
nilifanyika.
Nasikia kitu inapumua hapa then you know when they don't have like a word to express a certain feeling, they put a soundtrack. Instead of saying somebody just took over, they say somebody just like so nikauliza nini wewe.
So the problem was the party. Alikuwa amefanya party watu wameamini mtu anaenda kushinda.
You've called David the student, you've called Junior contestants, you've called Emmy Kosgei to sing for your party because you've already won. Yeah.
But would you
so go cut a Kalenjin wewe.
Anamweka. Is that a thing about all Kalenjins?
No.
Not really.
All. Not really.
The athletes
they're very humble. Very humble. Except my uncle.
Yeah. What about your uncle?
My uncle. You know how every country, every town, there's identity.
Yes.
There's like a landmark. You know, like if you land New York, you can see the Statue of Liberty.
Yes.
And then you just know this is New York. This is
New
the
York.
identity.
Yeah.
There's Rio. Rio what?
Yes.
The Brazil.
De Janeiro.
Yeah. I like telling people Rio because now I can't finish that one. Yeah. They have is it Jesus?
Yeah, Jesus. Yeah, the statue.
So a white lady asked my uncle. So it's amazing how every country they have identity. Do you guys in Africa have identity? My uncle was like, identity, like somebody can see and they're like, oh, this is so African. I said, oh yeah, we have one. I can't remember what is it? A slap.
That's our identity.
Yeah. Unapiga mtu kofi, anasikia I am African. That is our identity. Akaulize, can I identify myself?
To you. Hey, David. Okay, so there's another clip that you want to show us.
Yeah. This is 2015. My new resolution this year.
Yes.
I'm going to say, will you marry me to somebody?
Oh,
hallelujah.
Wow. Amen to that.
Yeah.
You'll introduce her. You have someone ama you're looking.
Yeah.
Unatafuta ama bado
umepata? Hapo sasa ndo kuna shida. Now, I will.
Okay.
But before that, you know how you said go cut my husband.
Yes.
Yeah. But maybe the problem is not even about the household peke yake. There are even houses where there's no mattress,
Yes.
there's no food
Yeah.
in the house, and so you just have to invent. But there's a guy, I saw this clip, I was really laughing. This guy went to buy a mattress with his bicycle, and then he was told the taxi to carry the mattress or the pickup is very expensive. So he said, "What? I'll carry." So the mattress is too big to carry with the bicycle, and then he has the bike. This is what he did, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's take a look at that. That's great balance.
Yeah.
Mpaka
You can
anatoka
imagine,
barabara.
like, wachana na baiskeli and just have this one. You know why it's easy to do that? You can do that.
No, I can't.
Why
Trust
you're
me.
fearing falling?
I actually do not
Don't
even
fear
know how
falling
to.
because this guy is very witty. You know, I have the mattress here.
So it's going
if
to
I'm falling,
counterbalance.
if I fall,
You'll
I
fall
just
on the
drop
mattress.
the mattress first, then fall on the mattress. Yeah.
That's a nice one. That's a nice
no,
one.
that's not a nice one. That's
But-
a Chinese one.
Oh, it's a Chinese one.
Chinese guy.
But I can't do
Yeah.
that. Do you even know how to ride a bike?
I have a problem with bicycle, man. You know, growing up, I grew up in Nakuru,
Yeah.
a place called London. Now in London,
London.
yeah, it's
Okay.
called London.
Okay.
Yeah. They have an identity. Identity yao ni sewage. Now, and they know that in London, if you had a bike, like if I had a bike that time, right now I'd be married.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a big thing.
All the girls, if you had a bicycle,
So girls there like bicycles.
so much. I don't
Really?
know why. Yeah.
Not cars.
No, then. Now definitely it's changed.
Not
Nataka tu
Subarus?
mtu wako na taxi.
Yeah.
It's changed. Tuk-tuk.
Oh, tuk-tuk.
Oh,
Kila
that
kitu.
bicycle.
No,
Now, there's this style of riding
Yeah.
from inside.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
like there's this chuma.
Yeah.
What is it called? Then you just put your leg inside. Then it just balance like that. I used to try that. I fell down. I stopped my bicycle career.
Oh, okay.
But anyway, what was I saying?
Okay, you're talking about girls and bicycles and everything.
Oh, girls and bicycle. Yeah. So, growing up there, it kind of made me the person I am today.
Okay.
It
All right.
really made me, because there's a lot of stuff like that used to happen there.
Actually, your comedy
That's
is
fun.
really based on where you come from. A lot of your comedy.
Eldoret.
Yeah.
Is it really? Most people say that. But you see, if you take a good look at it, what a Kalenjin guy does, you see why when you do those jokes, somebody in Kericho, in Kisii, in Mombasa, in Marsabit can relate to that. Because you see, and somebody in Nairobi can relate to that. But if you talk about Twitter, you talk about Facebook, not everybody
Not everyone,
can talk about Instagram. My grandmother was like, Insta? So you have to talk about something people can relate to.
Yeah, exactly.
And at times, something can happen to me or to somebody, not even a Kalenjin guy.
Yeah.
And then I just take it and just put it in Kalenjin.
Yeah, and it makes sense.
And yeah, everybody can relate to.
Okay, fine. So there's another clip you wanted to show us as a final.
The final one. I'll say, will you marry me this year?
Yeah, we'll get to
But
that.
I have
we have
to
to know.
I have to advise men out there. If you're going to say that, please, one, make sure it's not January. Please.
Why?
January, you're proposing. Are you sick? No, actually proposing in December, then, or let's say around September, then.
And then you
then
marry
getting
in
married
January.
in January.
Yeah.
Oh, that's rough. And two, please choose the best man. This is to men. I don't know about ladies, but men, choose the best man.
Okay.
You know, you can choose the best man who maybe wanted to marry your wife. Yeah. So this is what they'll do in the wedding.
Let's take a look at that.
Oh, God! No! Oh, my God! Oh, my God! Oh, my God!
That's a nice one. That's a good best man.
I don't know.
No, I mean, okay.
I don't know. Like, are you not fitted your trousers? You must fit. And I think maybe let's just check. Like, let's pity with this guy. Maybe there's another guy who's to be the best man, then he fell sick. He was a bit fatter than him. So shikilia too. Then the next one, this guy was asked, "Happy pete." So this guy apparently he had forgotten the pete, the ring. So he went to his pocket to remove his. So when it came out, it's very hard. It came out. It came with the force.
So he fell.
Yeah. And then
so now are you dating, and who? Because I'm sure there are many ladies out there who come to watch you. And
next question.
No. You have to answer that one.
No, I'm not.
Oh, okay. So that's a
call. You're really waiting.
So that's a call to all ladies.
But it's very, it's not that easy.
So are you looking for a lady?
I'm looking for someone who's real.
Someone who's real.
You know, most of my close friends, the closest friends, even the guy I make all the jokes with, they are the people who tell you the truth.
Yeah.
I like those people. I don't like yes men or yes women.
I
like somebody who tells me,
who's
no,
gonna challenge
don't
you.
do that. That's bad.
Okay.
I like when I'm with somebody who treats me as David, not David the student.
Yeah, exactly.
Which is very hard to find. Very, very hard. Yeah.
Okay.
Most people, they're just there because
you have the fame and the money. I'm sure you have a lot of it. All right, so we want to get straight to it because you're the guest anchor. You'll be introducing a story for us. You know that, right? Yeah. So let's walk there.
All right.
Yeah. Follow me as let me carry that for you because I'm sure you'll need it.
Okay.
Okay, great. So have a seat here.